Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Affirm. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Affirm application and log out from your account using the menu icon and the logout button, you might notice that some of your login information is still saved. So in order to prevent this within your application, long press on the Affirm app and then tap on the info button. You will now be taken into the application info page for Affirm. Now, first tap on a forced stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on Storage. From the Storage menu, tap on Clear Data at the bottom left corner and then tap on Delete, which will clear all of your user data for the Affirm app. This also includes your login information. After this step, when you open up the Affirm application once again, you will be asked to log in or sign up, which means that none of your information is saved within the Affirm app anymore. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your Affirm account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.